Hello friends, I am Dr. Mohammad Mamoor Ali. I am working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Teacher Training and Non-Formal Education, Jamia Millia Islamia. As we are discussing Viksit Bharat 2047 nowadays, today along with my PhD scholar, we are here to discuss the vision and how we can achieve the target of Viksit Bharat 2047. So let him introduce first.
Hello everyone, I am Dheeraj Kumar, PhD scholar in Department of Teacher Training and Non-Formal Education, Jamia Millia Islamia.
Dheeraj, as we are discussing the dream of Viksit Bharat in 2047, how Viksit Bharat look like in your point of view?
Thank you, sir. Our Viksit Bharat should be look like Techno-Cultural Bharat because these are the two leading aspects and root cause of the Viksit Bharat nation.
Okay. To achieve this goal, what should we do? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. We can do more things. First, we can inculcate the techno-cultural aspects in teaching learning practice from early childhood care to and education to higher education system. Another thing is that we need to strictly focus on our Indians developed resources to to enhance the Indian economy. Another aspect is we need to focus on the educational ethics and other ethics like cultural values, environment sustainability, computational, scientific and critical thinking among the various stakeholders.
So, if you think in this way, then what will be your contribution to achieve this goal of Viksit Bharat in 2047?
Thank you, sir. According to me, there are three different aspects which have need to focus strictly, like create the master plan for techno-cultural aspects for Viksit Bharat 2047. Another is monitoring of educational practices, and third one is assessment and revisit of educational practices.
Thank you very much, Dheeraj, for giving us the idea of Viksit Bharat as well as for telling us the contributions you will make in this particular goal to achieve Viksit Bharat 2047. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.